Ever wondered what could possibly go wrong in pouring concrete? Well, the truth is, a lot can go wrong. From underestimating the importance of weather conditions to mishandling the curing process, many things can compromise the integrity of a concrete structure. But don't fret, understanding these pitfalls and how to avoid them is easier than you might think. Firstly, let's unravel the mystery of weather conditions. Concrete pouring is not a task for all seasons. In fact, it's a Goldilocks situation, not too hot, not too cold, but just right. Pouring concrete in extreme weather conditions, be it freezing cold or scorching hot, can lead to cracking and weakening of the structure. The ideal weather is mild, somewhere around 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Next up is the mixing ratio. A common mistake is adding too much water. It may seem like a good idea to make the mix easier to pour, but in reality, an excess of water dilutes the cement to water ratio, reducing the strength of your concrete. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a consistency similar to peanut butter, not too runny, not too stiff. The third step is all about formwork preparation. Rushing through this stage or cutting corners can lead to disastrous results. The formwork must be sturdy and well secured to withstand the weight of the concrete. It's also crucial to ensure that the formwork is clean and free from debris, as this can affect the final appearance and strength of the concrete. Now, let's move on to the actual pouring. The key here is patience. Pouring too quickly can lead to air pockets, which weaken the structure. Instead, pour the concrete slowly and steadily, making sure it fills every corner and crevice of the formwork. The final step, but certainly not the least important, is the curing process. Curing is not just about letting the concrete dry, it's about allowing it to harden and reach its maximum strength. This process takes time. Rushing it or neglecting it can lead to cracks and a brittle final product. To summarize, successful concrete pouring is about attention to detail. It's about choosing the right weather conditions, hitting the perfect mixing ratio, preparing the formwork meticulously, pouring the concrete patiently, and respecting the curing time. By paying careful attention to these steps, you can avoid common mistakes and ensure a durable and long-lasting concrete structure. In conclusion, concrete pouring might seem like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and a bit of patience, anyone can master it. Remember, the devil is in the details. So take your time, follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to creating something solid and enduring.